Look what showed up at my door. Out in the wilderness. Mr. Turkey. He's so beautiful. I just stepped out and he poof showed up yesterday. And I think he really wants a girlfriend, and I don't think I'm the one. Turn around. I don't want to see your bum. Turn around. Hey, you silly bird. I want to see the front. Everyone else wants to see the front of you. Come on. Turn around. Turn around. Hey. Hey, buddy. Hey. Trying to get him to turn. Oh, there. Ta-da! There he is. He's so pretty. Yes, you are. You're so pretty. Oh. You see my lovely fire pit? I'm going to a new location soon, so I thought I would leave my landlord a nice, dramatic, sculptural fire pit for his friends. He keeps sticking his bottom at me. You're silly. You are silly, silly, silly. Dun 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 dun. See that? Love this rock. This one. And I found another railway tie because there used to be mining around here. And over there's some grooves with wood sticking out. And I've been cutting the broom, trying to keep it under control while I've been here. See that? Railway ties. It goes all the way down there towards his house. And it goes all the way back there. I walked all the way down there, and there's a landslide covering an opening to a mine. So, no going in there. Anyway, me and Mr. Turkey here. I think I'm going to go find him some hens and try and lure him over to the landlord's house. He won't let me get another shot. Anyway, bye.